The Legal Lens on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown and Crouppen Law Firm.
Despite what people may think, credit reporting can contain errors. So what it means to clean up your credit report is to go through and look at your credit report, find those inaccurate things, such as something that's been on your credit report too long, or a mistake, or a mistakenly closed account, and correct them. First thing that you'll want to do is gather your credit reports from the three big credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Then you'll want to go through each of those reports and start making a list of inaccuracies. Remember, you're not looking for things that are actually accurate. If you've missed a payment or you were default, those are not the things you're looking for. You're looking for mistakes or things that are on your credit report too late. You'll make a list of those, and then you'll do a dispute with the reporting credit agency. You do that mostly online. Can do a letter if you want, but you'll want to supply the credit reporting agency with actual documentation of the mistake. If you've disputed the inaccurate information with the Credit Reporting Bureau and they still have not removed it, then you may want to talk to a debt collection attorney who specializes in fair debt collection practices and credit reports.
The Legal Lens on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown and Crouppen Law Firm.